Hello guys, welcome to another video for the channel. Today I'm going to show the maze map that I made in my previous video and two more maze maps. So let's start. Now I'll go to the map maker and let's move our way up to the first map, which is called Maze. Here you can see all the maps in it are made with the same trick that I showed in my previous videos. So let's put do not disturb. Here we are. Now let me show you the battle of the map maze. Now we'll go to the battle log. Now we will open the replay. Here we go. Now I will not speak so that you can see the map. The match got over. So now let's move our way up to the second maze. Here you can see this. Now let me show you the battle of it. We'll go to the battle log and play. Here we are. Now I'll not speak so that you can see the battle. Now this was the most difficult maze in all these three. Now this one is the maze that I made in my previous video. Here you can see. Now I'll show you the battle of it, and I have to say that I changed the spawn points of this. So every player will spawn together only. Now here's the battle of it. Now speak so that you can watch and see the map. So these were all three mazes. If you want to play them, you can then send me friend request. You can pause the video and see my account, or you can even join my club. The link to join my club will be in description. So bye for now. Bye guys.